Welcome to the 4th edition of Taping Sticks, and today we're going to be doing Nathan MacKinnon, and for that you're going to be needing your hockey stick of any type, thick black Howie's tape, and you're going to be needing thin white Howie's tape, and finally some scissors. So MacKinnon for the knob, for the grip handle knob, so he likes to get a decent size knob. He likes to get a good size in, not too big of a knob. So he uses his thin white. And let's say he goes to about here, breaks it off in the back, and then he goes in, gets some tape, he twirls it, like how Eichel does. So you want to get these twirls in. You want to start it in at the back. And he likes to keep them more spread out. And then you're just going to need a little more. Then goes around once, breaks it off. So the reason why you don't just go and continue back up is because the tape, if you go back up, it'll like roll up on you and you're caught in a break, and then you can't do anything about that. The tape will roll up. So then you just go start at the top. Then keep it nice and tight. But he goes, and for his twirls, there's definitely 3 of them. So at least 3. He likes, like I said, spread out and then keep it tight. Make sure that those twirls are getting completely covered with the white tape. And then you just go rip it off the back, and that's the MacKinnon knob. So it's nice and spread out with the white tape. And now if you would get caught in a break or something, the tape's not going to roll up on you. So now down to the blade. He uses thick black tape. He starts about just about here or so, somewhere around right at the heel. So he goes in with his thick black. Keeps it nice and tight. He obviously does a great job of keeping it tight. It goes all the way to the end. And then remember these little flaps that come up on you. Want to fold those when they come. And one more. Just gonna get scissors. Then you're just gonna rip it off. Then you have these. Then you wanna flatten it out. Then you have these little flaps. And remember, this can make or break a tape job, so you wanna, I haven't broke one yet. So you wanna go and you can always save it by going a little further up at the top, and then you can go and trim those. and it's a nice tight tape job. There you go. And that's the Nathan MacKinnon. Oh, and there's one little, you might have this little piece right there. So here's the Nathan MacKinnon. So there's a nice little knob, and then there's the good old blade. Thank you guys for watching, and please leave a like, comment, and please do subscribe. And until next time.